Hello, my name is Adin and welcome to Bumpy Balkans. Today we are on Lake Pliva, close to Jajce in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We are going kayaking, super easy ride for families. And yeah, let me show you how it looks like, and yeah, feel free to pedal also. So let's go. Park here at the touristic center, where is the restaurant and the hotel, because it's the easiest access to the lake. But before we get packing and paddling, first of all, let's do something else. So parking has to be paid, and for that you will need Bosnian coins, because that's the only way you can pay. No card, no paper cash, maybe later when the worker comes, but in the morning you have the parking machine and you have to pay with coins. That's the only way. The whole day ticket, it's 5 marks, 2.5 euros, and right now I'll try to explain you how to do it, because there is no English, of course. So you come to the machine. So it's saying 2 times yellow button, after the yellow button green, after that you put the coin inside, and after that again green. Here's the ticket. So it's super easy to enter the dock. During the summer you can rent a kayak if you come with a family. 1 hour is 10 euros. It's 2-seater. So if you don't have your kayak or a packraft or whatever, you can come and rent. I suggest you to come early in the morning for the parking, but for the renting, I think the guy appears later, because yeah, here are the kayaks and everything, and he is not here yet. So yeah, if you want to rent, don't be early, but for parking you should be early, because this is a famous area here. So yeah, if you want to find a parking spot, yeah, be early. Approximately between half hour and 45 minutes to an hour, following the right side of the lake, paddling that side, you will come to this spot. In the middle you have grass, and on the right side the river continues, and we are going to paddle upriver for approximately the next 45 minutes or so. We have 2 canals that we're gonna paddle, but on the way back, so we don't follow the same route. Technically we will exit on the opposite side. When we leave the second canal, we will exit on that side, then pedal back. So yeah, in this part we'll have to pedal a little bit stronger as we are in the river right now, and if you are in a packraft, you'll feel the colder water on your feet. Malmura. Geldi. So when you pedal up the river, you will come to this red hut. There you have the first canal, which is to the left side from where you are pedaling. That channel will take you back to the lake. So I usually, on my way back, pedal both of those canals, however you want it. So this is the second one, and this one takes you to the lake. But when you pedal up, you will see it on the left side next to this red hut. But yeah, we are continuing up the river paddling. At one point you will come to a place where the river splits into two parts, left side and right side. Usually I'm for the middle and I have a break. So yeah, I usually make a break here in between the left and right bank where the river Pliva splits. I have a break here. There is no really a point pedaling more up. You get into houses and yeah, village, town, which is not that nice. So yeah, make a break here, then we're gonna pedal the canals to the right side of the river Pliva. First one starts already here, so yeah, a break and then pedaling. So we are entering the first channel and it starts with this amazing white small hut. Really pretty hut. If I could choose, I would choose it. Super nice hut. So it's this channel is kinda a bit narrow and not too deep, and there are some branches inside. So just watch out for that. If you are a packraft, if you are a plastic boat, you'll be fine. And yeah, beware of mosquitoes. This channel is a mosquito farm. I got bit too many times.
Komaraca.
So soon as you exit the upper canal at the White Hut, you exit just next to these fallen trees, and yeah, technically you are already there, back to the second canal, the one by the Red Hut. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, here is the Red Hut, and yep, now you continue downstream following that canal. The second canal by the Red Hut, it's wider, it's not mosquito infested, and yeah, you connect to the lake on the far side of the lake. So you can either stay on the far side, hunt for some shadow, or just paddle left, get to the same side you paddled on the way up, and paddle back to the restaurant spot where we entered. But I usually like to stay on the far side and hunt for shadow. We are back where we started. As you can see with the parking, it's a completely different story now. So yeah, come early. And yeah, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and see ya in the next one.